Imagine this. The warm, inviting aroma of spices fills your kitchen like a cozy embrace. Start by brewing a rich dark cup of coffee or a bold, steamy espresso. As it bubbles and releases its deep scent, let's create our magical pumpkin spice blend. Grab a saucepan and combine 2 tablespoons of smooth, velvety pumpkin puree, 1 teaspoon of aromatic pumpkin pie spice, and a splash of sweet, fragrant vanilla extract. This is where the cozy enchantment begins. Pour in a cup of creamy milk, whether it's dairy or a non-dairy option. The choice is yours. Heat it gently, whisking as it transforms into a frothy, dreamy mixture that swirls like clouds. Can you smell that? It's the essence of autumn. Once your coffee is ready, gently swirl it into the pumpkin spice mixture. The vibrant colors blend in a beautiful swirling dance. Top it off with a generous dollop of fluffy whipped cream and a sprinkle of extra spice for that perfect finishing touch. Voila! Your homemade pumpkin spice latte is ready, a warm hug in a mug, perfect for those crisp, chilly days. If this recipe made your heart flutter, show some love by tapping that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more delightful kitchen adventures. Share your pumpkin spice creations below. Let's spread the joy of fall together. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com, 3 Coffee Lover.